Hey guys, how you doing? Paul here, Ray Chevrolet Fox Lake. One of your EV experts here. Just want to fill you in a little bit on the charging situation. There's always how fast is it, how long it'll take, what are the different options. First off, you can charge anywhere just like your phone. That's going to be a little bit slower. More commonly, people see a level 2 charger installed. You can get that in your home, or you see them out in public at the grocery stores a lot. That one's going to get you about 20-25 miles an hour range when you're charging. And one of the things we're doing here to prepare for the future is we're actually getting a level 3 charger installed. So that'll be your fast charger. So I'll show you that one next. All right, guys, here's our new level 3 charger that we're getting installed. It's going to be up and running in a couple weeks, and that'll take care of the newer vehicles in a much faster charge, like the new Blazer EV. We're actually going to have a couple of those on the ground just used for test drives. They're not even going to be for sale. They're going to be loaner vehicles and test drives, so you can experience the nice new electric cars in person. But these is going to be, you can charge 2 different vehicles, 150-watt fast charging at the same time. So we're going to be ready for the future. We got the Silverado Equinox coming out this fall. We got the Blazer EV coming pretty soon in spring. We're going to see them on the ground. So if you have any questions or EV needs, or you want to reserve yours, come see me. My name is Paul. I'm here at Ray Chevrolet Fox Lake.